In this script, we will discuss a case of discrimination caused by artificial intelligence in the hiring process, where algorithms and patterns were altered, leading to discrimination in hiring profiles.
The Amazon case is one of the most well-known examples of bias in artificial intelligence applied to hiring. In 2014, the company developed an AI system to evaluate resumes with the goal of making the process more efficient and faster.
That's right. It actually seemed like an innovative solution, but the system began to discriminate against women. The AI was trained with the company's historical data, in which men predominated in most positions. As a result, the AI repeated the same patterns, assuming that if there were more men, it should remain that way. This violates the principle of equal employment opportunities.
How can we prevent this from happening in other hiring processes?
What we propose is to restructure the algorithm using new patterns that are not exclusively based on the repetition of historical data. Instead of depending on the fact that historically more men have held certain positions, the system should focus on objective criteria such as academic level, prioritizing candidates with masters and PhDs.
Our proposal is based on fostering both technical and ethical strategies. We need to implement parameters that promote diversity, inclusion, and equity to avoid technology perpetuating past inequalities.
We also must not forget the importance of human supervision. Even with these new patterns, it is crucial that ethics experts and recurring audits confirm that the system works correctly and maintains standards of fairness.
Then, the algorithm used in the AI system should be retrained using a diverse and inclusive database, thereby eliminating previous biases. To achieve this, bias detection tools can be used, and audits must be conducted periodically every 3 to 6 months.
Another key measure is transparency. Not only should the algorithms be restructured, but there should also be a system in which if a candidate feels unfairly rejected, they can request a review by a human team to verify the decision.
On top of that, it's crucial to establish clear policies for designing future AI systems within the company. This ensures compliance with international regulations.
It's not just about efficiency, but about doing it in a way that respects our values and promotes equity.
Innovation must go hand in hand with ethics. This should be accompanied by ethics training for AI developers to ensure that technology is used as a tool for progress rather than perpetuating inequalities.
The example of Amazon helps us improve. With these new patterns, we will incorporate our ethical values, transforming AI into a tool that boosts talent and embraces diversity.
It is true that we must use our technology to advance as a society, but to achieve this, we must also collaborate as a society to bring about change.
But unfortunately, in Mexico and many other parts of the world, there are still no official rules or regulations regarding the use of AI systems in hiring processes. That allows some companies to use these systems without any outside supervision.
Exactly. It is important for the government and international organizations to establish rules that require companies to ensure their systems are fair and transparent.
To ensure this is sustainable and continues to be a fair employment process without any form of discrimination, it is crucial that we follow certain strategies.
One option to consider would be the possibility of having our system under continuous monitoring and maintenance in order to make sure it can correctly assess employee performance.
We need to educate managers and human resources personnel about diversity and awareness of discrimination.